Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a flat iron video for you all. I will be lightly flat ironing my hair. I'm not going for bone straight, so it's not going to be completely straight, but you're going to see how I use this flat iron. First, thank you to K&K Professional for sending me this flat iron. Thank you for sponsoring the video. So this flat iron is a hair straightener, and it's good for keratin therapy. It has an ultra wide panel, 3D floating plates, and it goes up to 450 degrees. It has a swivel cord. It heats up in 30 seconds, so it heats up really quickly. And to open up the flat iron, you can just push the button and then it'll open the plate. I'm not sure if I put in video, but I'm just letting you know. But those are the heat settings, and for today I will be flat ironing on 350 degrees. I already blow dried my hair, and I have a heat protectant in my hair from the blow drying, and I'll be just doing the front section and then the left side, so you can see I'm on my natural hair journeys. I don't want to take any risks of burning my hair, so I decided to do the front. So you see the front part is a little bit damaged because I've been wearing wigs, and I noticed that the combs in the wigs, I have to be more careful when I'm taking them out. But I decided to just do it in the front, so if there's any damage, that it'll just be the front and that could be the bang area, and I can live with that. But yeah, just that little section right there, I would say, is a little bit damaged from the combs from the wigs. But as you can see, I'm just passing it through my hair, and I think I did about 3 passes for each section. Again, I'm not going for bone straight. I know that if I wanted it bone straight, I could turn it up a little more and probably use the comb chase method. That would have helped to get my hair straight, but I'm not doing, straightening my hair for that purpose. I wanted to show you the flat iron and how it works on my hair, and if anyone was looking for a good flat iron, I definitely would recommend this one. It's very easy to use. I like the look of it. I like the fact that the plates are wide. I like the fact that it has just the 5 heat settings. It's easy to choose. See, my hair looks pretty straight, and you can compare the straight side that I just flat ironed to my hair before it's flat ironed, and you definitely see a difference. Again, I am no expert on flat ironing hair. I am on my hair journey. 2 years ago, I had issues with breakage from swimming in the pool every day, and I'm just now overcoming the damage to my hair. So far, my hair is doing really well. I had to cut off all the damaged parts, so I'm being really careful with this flat iron. So as you can see, I just put it through my hair. I did it about 3 times, and everything was fine. Everything was fine. It was really easy to use, but I think next time, if I wanted a straighter look, I would just use the comb chase method, and I think everything would be really good with that. But you can see that I'm not going for bone straight. I'm not trying to get it straight to wear it out. I'm just doing it for the sake of demoing it to you all. And let me see what else it says about the flat iron on the box. It says that it has an auto shut off after about 60 minutes. It also says that it comes with only 1 button, 5-speed temperature. Yeah, so that it can minimize the risk of burning your hair. The plate, it says, is the titanium plate covered with a layer of ceramic. So it combines the advantages of both ceramic and titanium for smoother use and longer life. So that's really good to know for you all who do use flat irons. I don't really know too much about it, but I am learning. So I wanted to show you that you can also curl your hair with this. I'm just using it to bump my ends and give it a curl at the end, and it's really easy to do, as you will see in the video. I'm not sure how my voiceover is coming out, because sometimes my voiceover, like, for some reason it goes faster or slower than the actual video, so please excuse if the sound is not really syncing with what you see in the video. But yeah, I curl the ends, and my hair is really lightweight. You see, it got it straighter, and again, it's not bone straight because that's not what I'm going for, but so far so good. This is wonderful for people who don't want, a flat iron that's hard to use. This one is really easy. So I'm gonna do the left side really quickly, just run through a few sections of my hair on that left side. And that's it, really. I just wanted to show you all. I hope you like it. I will leave all the links in the description for this. And yeah, it's just one link, I think, and I'm gonna leave it in the description. Be sure to like and share the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. I will be uploading frequently. I have lots and lots of videos to upload for you all. I just have not been getting to uploading them. Like, it takes a lot. I'm just one person, one influencer, one content creator, and I'm working with so many brands, thank God. And I hope you guys like it. Have a good day. Thank you all. Love you.